going on, guys? Figured I'd get on here and kind of show you what we're doing today and what the video is all about. We're in East Texas. It is currently decent weather outside. You can tell it's kind of gray and everything in the background, but no rain today, so that's good. Have been getting quite a bit of rain, so that, that puts us out of work for a little bit. But I was just going to show you guys kind of what we're dealing with here. Here are all the bins that we've been working on, and there's more over behind these other trailers. I was just going to show you guys kind of what all we're having to do these things. So we're going in and we're putting these pieces of angle on here, so that way whenever these bins, obviously they're laid down right now, so whenever they stand these things back up right, they're going to take these and they're going to, the I-beam, the structure that they sit on, is going to land right here. And if it didn't have all this surface, it would just have this little bit of channel there to sit on, and that's not enough to hold obviously the weight of all this. So we're having to go in there and put these on. We'll have to go and flip these over, put some more on the bottoms once we get to that point. And we're having to come in, and then these doors that they originally built on these things, there was no way to seal this. You can see how the door is, so there would be a gap here and go all the way through. If you had any kind of material in there, dog food, grain or anything like that, it would just fall right out these little seams here. So we go in, put these in, keeps everything from coming out. So yeah, that's really all we got going on. That's what we've been doing for a while now. These are all currently been done, and we're working on some more back over that way. There's about this many more over there. We've actually got some big ones over there. That's actually what I'll be working on today, so you guys will see those whenever we get over there. But yeah, that's what we got going on. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment. I really want to hear what you guys want to see out here. I'm new to this, and we're gonna kind of keep plugging away at it. A good buddy of mine told me to just get started and start making these videos and getting them out there to you, whether anyone's watching them or not. I'm just happy to be out here, and if I can help you with something, hit me up. I would do everything I can to help you out. So stay tuned and let's see if I can't make $1 today. Thank you. Of course, I was going to need a welding hood, wire wheel, trusty old rod bucket. You guys will see me use this here for a bit. This is what I'm using the whole time. So these are the pieces of angle we are welding on. Pretty windy out, but got not always going to have the best welding conditions whenever you're out here doing this kind of stuff. So what we got is this channel here, and that's not going to be strong enough to hold the bins up themselves. So what we got to do is come in and put these angle pieces. So I'll show you. We got to put these angle pieces on here. The I-beam has something set on to hold the weight of the bins. And these are more than likely going to be holding a bunch of dry dog food or protein or anything like that for them. So, but that's what we're doing here. I'll get this all tacked in here and whatnot. Going to show you how we're tacking them in, and then we'll go from there. So I got this tacked in here now. Get down here, you can see we kind of got a little gap in there for so we can try to get as much penetration on it as we can. We'll make sure these things are pretty strong. Here we've got a little bevel put in there, so that way we can get able to get that old weld to stick in there real good, so it's not falling off. Bins these size, you don't want them falling down on the ground on anyone. So that's what we're doing there. I'm going to try to get you guys propped up. We'll put a time lapse in and show me kind of welding it up and what all we got to go through to get that done. So wanted to show you guys something. And whenever you come in here, you're grinding all this down, and you got a little bevel on it. Instead of grinding up and down like that, trying to get that thing to come out how you want it, just hold that grinder down and run it nice, even all the way up. You get to where you're going up there, you stop, and you come right back down. You just do that up and down, up and down until you get that bevel down to where you want it there, and clean up the rest of it. And save your arms a lot of headache. So there's a tip for you. Here's the little piece of this is actually one of the caps that go in one of the smaller bins. I've just been using to tack weld it on there, and then I can hold this in place there. Obviously it goes right through. There's no way to really get a clamp or nothing on there, so you kind of just have to have something to hold it. So I'll show you how it works real quick. You don't need a great big tack, just a little tack to hold it on. Take it, hold it in place there. As you can see, we've got a little, just put it all the way back there. You gotta split your difference there on your gap. So we'll come in and I'll tack it in kind of about right there. Good decent little gap all the way around it so we can get some good weld in there. So I'll get this all tacked in and we'll weld it out and move on to the next one. Here's one of the caps we got welded in. You can see where just kind of what it looks like after we get done welding it in. And here's the bin, one of the big bins that we're working on here. Kind of see how big it is there. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Nothing real complicated, you know. It's just simply got to have some more room for it to sit on, so it can have enough surface to hold the weight and everything. It's kind of how the engineering goes on it. Any other questions, leave them down in the comment section. If you guys would like for me to make any other kind of videos, leave those down there too. I'd love to hear some feedback. And I guess that's the end of the day. Hopefully tomorrow we can make another $1. Thank you.